Welcome to our enlightening journey into the world of indigenous tribes and their ancient wisdom. This video, titled Indigenous Tribes and Their Weather Wisdom, aims to explore how these communities have developed an astonishing understanding of meteorological patterns through their deep connection with nature. We're going to delve into their unique practices, from observing animal behaviors and cloud formations to understanding the nuances of wind shifts, plant growth, and celestial cycles. Come, let's unravel the sanctity of their knowledge, which has been passed down through generations, and see how they employ natural phenomena to shape their seasonal calendars. 1. Observation of animal behavior. Indigenous tribes around the world have mastered the art of observing animal behavior to predict weather changes. For instance, many Native American tribes track the migration patterns of birds. When birds suddenly change course or begin migrating earlier than usual, it often indicates upcoming storms or shifts in climate. Similarly, insects play a significant role in weather prediction. The sudden swarming of ants or bees, for example, might warn of impending rain. These observations are practical. They serve as nature's invisible messages that are decoded through generations of accumulated knowledge. Indigenous communities rely on these patterns, subtly unveiling the intricacies of the natural world. It's a living understanding that turns spider webs into forecasting tools and bird calls into alerts for rainfall. 2. Reading cloud formations. Clouds have long served as natural indicators for weather predictions among indigenous tribes, with Aboriginal peoples of Australia being particularly adept in this art. They have a specialized knowledge of specific cloud formations, each offering clues about what's to come. Puffy, white clouds may signal fair weather, while dark, rolling clouds are harbingers of heavy rain or potential cyclones. These visual cues aren't just aesthetic, they are informative, guiding people about when to seek shelter or prepare for periods of drought. This wisdom allows communities to adapt and survive, providing a testament to the lessons taught by observing the sky. It's a science of simplicity, where a glance upward can offer volumes of understanding about the environment. 3. Wind and seasonal shifts. The Polynesian navigators and Pacific Islander tribes possess a deep-rooted understanding of wind patterns and their implications for weather changes. Wind, to these cultures, isn't merely air in motion but a crucial indicator of seasonal shifts and coming storms. The direction, speed, and even the sound of the wind can signal changes that are vital for navigation and safe travel across vast oceanic expanses. For these tribes, understanding wind patterns is akin to reading nature's own diary, detailing shifts in time and climate. Whether it's the gentle caress of a breeze or the fierce howl of a tempest, these natural phenomena inform daily life, ensuring agricultural success and safe maritime voyaging. This deep connection with the wind exhibits a harmonious relationship with the earth, reflecting an intricate knowledge passed down through generations. 4. Plant growth and blooming patterns. In the American Southwest, tribes such as the Zuni and Hopi harness the power of plant growth and blooming patterns to understand seasonal transitions. When particular plants begin to bloom, it might indicate the beginning of a rainy season, offering a natural time marker for cultivation and preparation. The flowering of these plants is not just a natural spectacle but a calendar event, etched into the tribal consciousness over centuries. These tribes respect natural cycles, understanding that nature herself is the greatest timekeeper. When flowers bloom early or late, it provides insights into shifts in rain patterns or coming droughts, allowing for better planning and conservation of resources. It's a holistic approach that celebrates and respects the natural world, intertwining nature's rhythms with human life. 5. Star and moon cycles. Inuit communities and other indigenous groups look to the night sky as their celestial weather station. Changes in the halo around the moon or the brilliance of stars can signal impending weather shifts like snowstorms or blizzards. For these communities, who often contend with extreme weather conditions, understanding the influence of lunar and stellar phenomena is critical for survival. This method of forecasting doesn't rely on digital devices but on an innate relationship with the cosmos. As stars twinkle or dim and the moon either shines brightly or fades behind a shroud, these signs are interpreted as natural signals of changes afoot. It's an elegant blend of astronomy and intuition, showcasing how indigenous wisdom is often rooted in aligning human activities with cosmic happenings. 6. Sacred knowledge passed down. Weather wisdom among indigenous tribes is often guarded as sacred knowledge, passed down through oral traditions across generations. The Sami people of Scandinavia, for instance, have an incredible understanding of various snow types and their impact on reindeer herding. Knowing whether the snow is soft or crusty can determine the migration and well-being of reindeer herds, directly affecting livelihood. This sophisticated knowledge isn't gained in a single lifetime. It's a tapestry woven through countless narratives and shared experiences. These oral traditions serve not only as storytelling tools but as a practical guide for survival. They underscore the importance of understanding and cooperating with the environment, allowing modern society to glimpse ancient practices that are still relevant today. 7. Use of color and sky phenomena. Some indigenous communities interpret color changes in the sky as predictive signals of weather changes. A familiar adage, "Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in morning, sailor's warning," is part of this ancient wisdom. This method involves watching for specific hues during sunrise or sunset that might indicate imminent rain or storms. These visual cues have been vital in enabling communities to brace for adverse conditions. Observing how the clouds catch the sun's final or first rays offers much more than beauty. It provides tangible information that helps safeguard life and agriculture. By reading these celestial paintings, indigenous societies harmonize their activities with the weather, integrating their understanding with daily decision-making. 8. Seasonal calendars. Tribes such as the Maori of New Zealand follow a natural calendar dictated by environmental cues rather than months and dates. The flowering of certain trees, the appearance of particular animals, or landmarks in the night sky, like the Pleiades star cluster, mark time and indicate certain agricultural practices. Matariki, for instance, signals the new year and is a cue for planting and harvesting seasons. These observations are recorded in cultural memory, serving as ecological markers that ensure communities are in sync with natural cycles. The beauty of the system lies in its adaptability and its rootedness in specific landscapes. By following these seasonal cues, indigenous tribes have been able to sustain themselves for millennia, demonstrating an unparalleled understanding of nature's rhythm without the need for conventional calendars. Such wisdom from indigenous tribes continues to endure, offering fascinating insights into the natural world.